Seriously Silly Science! 3, 2, 1.
Hi everybody, we're here today with
Seriously Silly Science!
Alright, we're going to start off with a joke. What is a tornado's favorite game to play? Twister! So today, for Seriously Silly Science, we're going to make lava lamps. And this is what we need. Most of this stuff I think you probably have in your house. Glass jar, doesn't really matter what size. Some baking soda, some vegetable oil, and some white vinegar. Food coloring, any color you'd like, you get to pick. So here we go. So the first step is to put a heaping spoonful of baking soda into the jar or the glass. And I hope this works because this is all the baking soda I have left. Remember, science is an experiment. If it doesn't work, think about why it doesn't work. Ask questions. Try again. There's our baking soda. Next, we're going to fill our glass jar about 2/3 of the way fill vegetable oil. 2/3. Oh, I need a measuring cup. Be better. All right, and then we're going to take a tablespoon of vinegar, which I've already put in here, and add some food coloring. I picked blue today. So there's our blue food coloring. And now we're going to pour the vinegar and the food coloring into the oil and the baking soda. And as I'm pouring this vinegar in, the vinegar will cause a reaction with the baking soda, forming carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide bubbles will attach themselves to the vinegar. Hey, we're friends. And they're going to float to the top of the surface. And these bubbles will eventually pop and they'll float back down to the bottom of the jar. So here we go. Let's take a look. And my assistants are adding a light so you can see this reaction better. And here we go. The carbon dioxide bubbles are attaching themselves to the vinegar and they're floating to the top. Isn't that neat? Look at that. I can even hear, if you can listen, a little bit of fuzzing going on. Isn't that so pretty? So the vinegar is causing a reaction with the baking soda, forming carbon dioxide gas. And those carbon dioxide bubbles float they attach to the vinegar and they float to the top of the surface. And then they pop and they float back down. Let's get the camera up here and you can see the top of it and look how pretty it is down below. Even closer. That is some cool, pretty, serious science going on. And if you want to, when your baking soda and your vinegar are all done with their chemical reaction, you can also put a lid on it and save the vinegar and the baking soda and the food coloring for later, and then you can just add more baking soda to cause the reaction and it'll start again. And here's our lava lamp. I could watch this forever. Thanks for joining us for Seriously Silly Science. If you make a lava lamp, send it to me. I want to see it. Bye, scientists.